Ever wondered why some web pages rank higher than others? The secret lies in page authority. Page authority, or PA, is a score developed by Moz to predict how well a specific web page will rank on search engine result pages. This score ranges from 1 to 100, with higher scores indicating a greater ability to rank. But how is this score calculated? It's based on data from Moz's web index and considers dozens of factors. Like domain authority, PA uses a machine learning model to identify the best algorithm for ranking predictions. Curious about your own page authority score? You can find it for free using Moz Link Explorer. Simply enter the URL of any page you want to explore, and you'll get useful data in seconds. For more advanced insights, Moz Pro offers a domain overview tool to compare various authority metrics. But what exactly influences your page authority score? It's a complex mix of factors. These include linking URLs, root domains, subdomains, and even the distribution of link anchor text. Improving your link profile is crucial for enhancing page authority and boosting your page's ranking potential. Why is page authority so important? It helps you see opportunities, research competitors, and measure growth over time. A high page authority score can significantly increase your website traffic and brand credibility. Technically, PA is calculated similarly to domain authority, but focuses on individual pages. It's important to note that PA doesn't consider specific on-page elements like keyword use or content optimization. Instead, it's a relative metric best used for comparing against other pages. So, what's a good page authority score? It's best used as a comparative tool rather than an absolute score. Typically, a good PA score ranges from 30 to 70 depending on industry competition. There are three main scenarios where you'd research PA: competitive research, link research, and reporting. In competitive research, you compare your page's PA with that of your competitors to strategize. In link research, PA helps you determine the value of earning links from different pages. For reporting, including PA in your reports can help decision-makers understand the impact of your SEO efforts. Is PA a ranking factor? No, it's not an acknowledged Google ranking factor, but it's still valuable. PA measures factors that Google has indicated are important for search engine visibility. How can you increase your page authority? Focus on improving your link profile. Get external links from high-authority pages to boost your page's credibility. Content optimization is also key. Create high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Use header tags, optimize meta titles and descriptions, and use keyword-rich alt tags for images. Internal linking helps too. Link to related content within your site to improve navigation and authority. Measuring and tracking PA is crucial. Use tools like Mozbar, Google Analytics, and Google Search Console. These tools provide insights into your page's performance and help identify areas for improvement. Ready to boost your page authority? Start exploring with Moz Link Explorer and watch your rankings soar.